Kindred is the country's largest post-acute care provider. We take care of about 53,000 patients and residents every day across 46 states. Our clinical liaisons meet with the physicians and the discharge planners at the hospital to get an understanding of what the patient's needs are. And then the patients obviously have a choice on where they go for their care.
The main way that we get our business and serve patients is through the clinical liaison. Those liaisons are in the hospitals, talking with the case managers, talking with the patient and family members. They're the main representation of the brand.
We needed a tool that allowed our people to be nimble and communicate the message in a consistent way. I went to Dreamforce and saw a mobile application and thought that is exactly the kind of tool that our people need. Within 5 weeks, we chose Aperio to be our partner.
Before the app, I would spend my evenings and nights at home logging those sales calls and inputting the patient referrals and transferring those to the facilities. It's just made a lot more quality time for myself with my family.
Prior to our digital sales application, our clinical liaisons, had lots of paper collaterals with them. They were, in many cases, trying to make sure that they had the right thing with them.
It's a different world now. I have an iPad with me.
If you have just a moment, I wanted to go over Kindred Transitional Care's ortho program with you.
I'm much more organized. I'm able to manage my time better. I'm more educated on the programs that we have and the facilities we have.
The application has helped us get from concept to market much more quickly.
With the patients, I can even show them a video tour of the facility right at their bedside, and that eases a lot of anxiety on their part.
One of our clinical liaisons was working with a family who was traveling across the country to get cancer treatment along with the rehabilitation that they needed. That's a difficult time for patients and families because they're going into a setting that they're unfamiliar with. So our clinical liaisons were able to profile one of our centers, give a video tour to the destination that they were going to, and they decided to use Kindred as their provider because of that.
Technology is something that can really help you stand out. The reporting that comes from the digital sales application is a marketer's dream because I can see what's actually being communicated.
The digital sales application that we created is a great extension of the Kindred brand. It follows through with our position as an innovator and somebody who is empowering patients to choose the right care setting, and I think that being able to give them information that helps them make wise choices is something that this tool really empowers us to do.